to my channel. This is Lexsa with another video. Today we are going to be installing and reviewing this wig that I have on my head. If you do want to see how you can get this beautiful looking hair that I have right here and you are super interested, make sure that you keep watching the video. But before I get into it, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Twitter. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video. But after you do all those things, guys, after you do all those things, you know, you support your girl, we're gonna hop straight into this install because babes, this is fire. This is absolutely fire. So I already pre-plucked the unit and curled it. It's not really that easy to pluck just because it is already a T-part unit. But what I did, you know, girl, I tried my best, but I pulled it all the way to the front just to see how it would look on my head. And girl, I used this lace tint on the hair and it just looks so nice. I got it from the beauty supply store. Hopefully I do show it in the video. I think I did, but OMG, when I laid it down with my Oars gel, ooh, y'all gonna see how this turns out. But I'm just putting that gel lightly all over the front of my head along with the wig cap as well. You do not need to lay your wig cap down for this one, okay? This is not something you need to have a bald cap method for because its construction is very similar to a synthetic unit. So you see I'm just laying it all down and then I'm going to pull down all the flaps and dry that and have it melt. Right, so I'm just taking down all of the curls that I had and I'm still trying to get the hang of it. Honestly, if I had some spritz, it probably would have held a little bit better, but the curls did drop just a smidge, but it still look cute, okay? It still look very cute. So I'm just going to be taking down the little clips that I had in and then brushing out these curls. All right, so now you just see me trying to lay it down just a little bit more. I'm only doing this because I really want this lace to be super laid, even though it is a T-part wig. And I'm just going to go in with my hot comb again just to lay the hair down, lay that hair down. But after I have it laid to the, I guess, layage that I want, I am going to add some baby hairs just to spice it up. All right, so do not mind how this band is looking. I honestly think that's because of my makeup that was on my forehead. But yeah, girl, I have a whole bunch of these, so you know, they get a little dirty. But I'm just trying to lay down my baby's hairs as best as I can, as you can see. And just in my opinion, this makes a difference in just keeping them down, keeping them secure. And you'll see, look at that, look at that. They snatched, all right? But I'm just going again with that high comb just to make sure that at least the top is super laid. So you can see I am going in just to recurl some of the parts of the wig. Some of it just wasn't giving, so I had to just go in and do my little thing. But you can see this color is absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm actually happy it looks like this instead of how it looked on the website, because girl, like, I actually really like this style on me. So I'm just gonna go in once again with my powder. Y'all know how I feel about my powders and my creams. This is just bomb. Okay, so I love using my Black Radiance palette in the color medium dark, and just going in just to give my my scalp a little bit of realness. But you know, it's a T-part wig, so we can only do so much. Okay, so I am completely done curling and customizing this unit. Again, this is the T-part FB30 unit. I don't know if you guys can see because I know it's a little dark in my room, but these highlights are so cute. I would definitely recommend you buy this wig if you want something that's pretty easy. Would I say it can hold a curl? Not 100%, but I feel like if I use like a spritz or something to kind of like hold them tight, it would look a little bit better. But overall, I would give this hair probably an 8 or 9 out of 10. So if you do want to shop from this company, I would definitely recommend in doing so. But as you can see, the curls have already started to drop just a little bit, but it's still curly in a way, but just not as curly as I would prefer it to be. So again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you do want to see more wig reviews and installs like this. Make sure you let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.